Before I start my analysis, please go through the guidelines which are used while performing Elliott wave analysis. Perhaps the most important thing to note here is the wave colors in the ascending order. You will also notice in my analysis that I use the same color to draw my target termination zones using different Fibonacci ratios. Please feel free to ask any questions you have in the comment section before I start my analysis. Please feel free to ask any questions you have in the comments section, guys. As you can see, we are looking at a monthly chart as a part of our Elliott wave analysis, and this analysis covered the closing price up to 11th of June 2020. Guys, we will always start labeling our waves on monthly charts using the farthest possible significant price top or bottom, as this will help us cover as much data as we can from the past. As you can see, starting from this significant bottom where the red arrow is, price rallied in a very nice 5-way progression which I will label now. Once the bull move came to an end, euro dollar started correcting in an ABC sequence from this significant price top. Now, using wave A and wave B black, we can project the possible termination point of this correction using Fibonacci retracement tools. The first Fibonacci ratio we plot on our charts is Fibonacci expansion. Next, we draw the internal retracement using the previous bull move on this pair. And finally, we plot the external retracement using the price range of wave A black. Guys, the concept of applying Fibonacci ratio stays the same on any degree, and this zone often acts as a strong reversal area on any trading instrument. So far, we have established a possible Fibonacci termination zone for wave C black on the largest degree. Now we start labeling the subwaves within the wave C black as we progress to one lower degree of waves. And I will use blue color as I showed in my guidelines to label waves within wave C black. We also know that wave C is always made up of 5 subwaves irrespective of the category or which degree they are formed on. As per our Elliott wave analysis, we know that we are in the final impulse wave or wave 5 blue within wave C black. We switch to weekly charts to study the subwaves of wave 5 blue. As you can see, weekly charts do not provide clear view of impulse wave 5 blue, therefore we switch to one further lower degree to study them. Now guys, I want you to follow along this example using your MT4 platform as I label waves, as this is a very good example of a highly extended wave 3 red within wave 5 blue, as you will see. And finally, this is where wave 3 red comes to an end. Without Elliott wave analysis, there is no other way that you would be able to anticipate how market makers move the markets and what to expect in future. Now, we also know that once we see a very extended third wave, we can almost expect a sharp correction in wave 4 red. Guys, see how wave C green within wave 4 red saw a sharp increase in price as it went on to correct 38% of the entire wave 3 red. Now that we have studied every price movement from the past, it is now time to study what is happening in the real time as we speak. Impulse wave 1 green is over and wave 2 green is turning out to be a complex correction. Finally, we switch to 4-hour charts to study subwaves within wave 2 green correction and look at the trading opportunities on EURUSD. Now that we have labeled wave A and B brown, let's draw our Fibonacci retracement zones one final time on this pair to see if wave 2 green has come to an end. We can further consolidate our analysis by looking at subwaves within wave C brown. Guys, this also ends our Elliott wave analysis on EURUSD, and I hope you were able to see the power of Elliott wave analysis once used correctly to speculate the future market direction. Therefore, according to Elliott wave analysis, we are expecting a very nice sell opportunity unfolding in wave 3 green as we speak. I am keeping my stop loss just above impulse wave 1 green because if markets breach the high of wave 1 green, it will invalidate the pattern and I will redo my analysis in that case. Remember guys, Elliott wave principle is not a holy grail to success. However, when used correctly with discipline, you can exploit both bull and bear market trading opportunities to trade to your advantage. I hope you enjoyed watching the video and I will see you in the next one.